Good evening, all of you. Today we are gathered here to discuss on the topic e-learning. E-learning means use of electronic devices in learning and teaching, and in other words, we can also say that e-learning means we can share our views online and provide education to our
In
homes.
this pandemic era, there is a lot of
sector of in the
importance
education
of
and providing
e-learning as
through the
people
internet.
cannot gather
During pandemic,
physically,
we
so
can
they
see that all
should
the
learn online.
educational institutes
We can
are
say
closed,
that
but
everything
with the
has
help
its cons
of
and pros and
e-learning, the student get attached to their studies.
According to a learning website, USA is the top country in e-learning with 14 million e-learners, and India ranked the second position
E-learning
with
provides a
9.8
great
million
way for the
users.
teachers to convey their
It's a
topics in a better way, and it provides the animations and other technology.
E-learning enhance the
Clear
retention
concepts.
power of students because in e-learning the teachers teaches students by the help of graphics,
Online education is the
and,
affordable-
and other type of documents. It
Online
can help to,
education is the affordable
enhance
and
the retention
easy
power
way
of
of
students and
learning
help students
by-
to learn so
by
fast.
In
graphics and visuals, students can learn easily every topic. It helps
Yes,
in
my friends, but there are
learning
also
easily.
some pros of e-learning as people cannot physically interact with each other. They lack in self-confidence and many other issues.
Yes, my friend, main reason in India's rank increase of e-learners is that COVID-19 pandemic. When several countries imposed lockdown, India also imposed lockdown, and most of the schools and colleges get closed, and the owners of the schools and colleges teach online on Google Meet.
There was
Convenient
also
time people who-
this platform was also established before the pandemic, but it was encouraged in the pandemic era.
Every
This is
age
new
group
in-
get knowledge from the e-learning sites. There is no barrier on age. In
My friend, you can provide us on your
There are variety of
common
variety of
that we
courses
are using today.
It saves time,
There are
money,
also
and
many
energy.
benefits of
There are
e-learning as
also
people
variety
from
of
very low
courses the student can take.
background
He
can
choose
study
all
online.
time.
They get very affordable prices of e-learning. Teachers are teaching in very low prices on
Yes, we all know
YouTube.
that today's world it is very helpful for us, and e-learning is only new in our country, not in other countries.
Save money.
Yes,
People,
It's not
people
new,
who
but
want-
we can say we are not aware due to COVID. We are aware that e-learning, yes, it is also way
Yes, it
that we
is
can get
increased
knowledge
due to COVID-19.
through our phone, through our mobile phones, and we can see our teacher from our
Online
mobile and
learning
Yes,
home
my
Yes,
friend,
yes,
even in
home
21st
class.
century, some
It is increased
girls
due
are
to
not allowed to go
COVID-19.
outside the home to get higher education, and some of the people
From
are
from
physically
e-
handicapped and they are not able to went outside school. So there is a
They are also
boon that
getting
e-learning is a
benefit of
boon for
e-learning.
these students.
benefits of e-learning. You can say that the whole class whole class we can
Students
say
can
that
we can
attend
take
lectures
education
again and
for
again
every
if
part
they
of-
are not understanding it. It helps them taking all topics easily, and they will learn them.
Sometimes the
Yes, my
students have
friend,
not
they
cleared
can
his doubts
repeat their
and
lectures,
his
and
basics,
if
but
they
after
miss
watching
their
the
class,
same courses
they
from
can
different
take
There are variety of courses
they
on
can learn
e-learning
topics.
sites that student can conveniently choose their options.
E-learning also
and they-
unites
on the have- on
e-learning
their
also
interest.
unites people from a parts of every country and not from a parts of country from the whole
Yes, my
world
friend,
also.
we
That
take our-
teacher is from
we-
other country and students from other countries. It also unites.
Just
Yes,
like
we
all
take
other
online
things,
classes
internet,
from every
online
part of
classes
the
have
world.
also some negative effects, and it also violates our right to education act because many students who don't have enough tools for the online classes and
By e-learning, there
Yes,
is a
my
lack
friend,
of social
everyone wants
interaction
to
in
see
school.
that
Government
is
is
a bad
working
teacher,
on
but
to
students-
improve the standard of the people. They are providing some schemes to make
Government
facility
providing some
available
tablets
for
to
the
the
poor
students
people
and
to
also
There was
study.
provide
65%
better
of
network
in
for
a
the-
in a
And
poll, there are
everyone wants to
65%
get
of the parents
education with the best
told
teacher,
that their
and
students,
it's
their
e-learning
children
that
are
provide
away from the
education
social
with the best
interaction.
teacher and made possible that a teacher can teach everyone in the world.
It's all,
online education is best for mentally, but in physical conditions, it is not best for us because in classes we are physically intellected with friends.
online
There are
so
so
many
many
colleges,
there
there
are
are so many colleges
mental
which are
online classes.
which are made
It
through our
affects
physical
our eyes
environment
also. Our eyes
that we
are
can't discuss
affected
with
by
our teachers.
online
Online
devices very much.
mental
Distraction is also a main con of the e-learning because most of the students starting studying with by phones, but at the end of this they
Children
can
get
Yes, my friend, because of e-learning, there are less face-to-face interaction between teacher and the students and
Due to-
other class.
due to
the
the
children
online
cannot
classes,
get
due to
their-
the
There are many
people-
distractions because many advertisement which are not proper for the children and they get distracted due to their
Children did not get improve their writing skills, communication skills, and cannot develop
Everything
their
has its
soft
pros and
skills.
cons. There are
Yes.
many benefits of online education, but there are also many disadvantages. People can't physically interact with their friends and with their teacher. They can't ask doubt
Yes,
very
my
properly.
friend.
Yes, my
Many
friend, in
things
COVID-19
which are
pandemic,
not learned
this is
from the online
absolutely a
classes,
boon,
and
but we
education is
cannot
not just about the online
change
classes.
e-learning.
Due to
There are
e-learning,
many other things
due to
which
e-learning,
can be
physical
learned
classes
from
have
talking
been,
to
we
each
can
other
say,
also.
they shut down, and in a physical classes.
Yes, e-learning
any-
cannot
any-
replace the offline classes, but it is a supplement for the offline
any
classes.
digital-
Yes, I just say that e-learning is only possible in COVID-19 pandemic because it has much cons also. So we cannot conclude it as a permanent learning.
We
from
cannot
online
judge
to online.
e-learning is good or bad. It based on situations. What is the scenario? We
Yeah,
could not
that is-
focus on all the students.
Yes,
It is
some
educated
students,
student also to
some
maintain a
students just
discipline
start their
on
lecture
online
and
classes.
they are doing something else, and some
Start
are not
using social sites.
focusing on their e-learning. It's the main pros.
This is
Yes, my friends, some of the students are mischief and they starting mischief during the class and disturb whole the class and share their video on social medias, and that's our responsibility also that we cannot share and like this type of videos.
There is a lot of distraction in
such things happen in
e-learning
offline classes
because
also.
students
This can't be the
starting
main
with the
problem of e-learning.
and end up with the
In online
use of
classes,
social
most
media
of the teachers
and messaging
focus
each
on the
other and
finishing
playing
the
games.
syllabus, not
It
on the
can-
what
it
they
can-
their students got.
It's also benefit to the people who can't go to afford the physical classes. That may be some
physical strength
Some
and some
parents
other
not
also
about physical
deny
strength,
their
that
children
issue.
to not
The
use
coaching center is
e-learning
far away
because
from
they
their-
are fear
from
that
their home.
E-learning,
the
they-
children
they-
will
they-
there is
they-
no
they-
development in
Yes,
the
through e-learning,
students.
the student
distract
cannot
and they will
participate in
start
the other
doing other
curriculum
things. They will
activities.
not study.
Also because of e-learning, students do not participate in all the physical activities that happens in the class, like group discussion and many other like
Through the
lecturate
students
Yes,
has a lack of
yes,
confidence
yes,
and
yes.
they become introvert.
Yes,
In
my
India,
friend.
there are many places where there are no connectivity of the internet, so there is also a limitation of the online
Government
classes.
is working a lot to provide such things. They are building many places to develop such things. They are also providing.
Any reports that 13.5 million people are away from the availability of the technology.
Yes, my
Yes, my
friend,
friend,
Women Resource
e-learning is
Development
beneficial for
launches a
those
app,
people who are
Pragata.
living in rural areas, and these students have to go outside so far on their foot, and they may lose their mental stability to move to the classes, and because of a lack of proper mentality.
Overuse of online education results in depletion of confidence level of a student. By this, in future, the student will not be able to show his intelligence and he will know everything, but he will not be able to show
But I
that.
can give you some examples, like people from online classes have achieved a lot only on
They
online
achieved a
classes
lot
without any physical
because they
classes.
used it as a supplement, not they will.
And this is our issue, that how we are using internet. We are not discussing about we are discussing about pros and cons of e-learning.
But over,
Is it
but,
beneficial or no?
we can say that access of everything is harmful. Access of e-learning, access of
our confidence.
we can
Most
say that
is
access
also
of e-learning of an
internet
individual
packages are
decreases its
increasing day by day
personality
and
abilities, like some leadership qualities which he only gain in his physical class.
Yes, my
a group
friend, our
discussion
government
and-
is also making some steps like Shiksha portal is launched by our government, under which students from 1st to 12th class are educated online or their televisions. And states like Uttar Pradesh is also contributing a lot. The state provide mobile
Also,
phones
e-learning
and
is very
laptops
beneficial
to
for
the students who are
every
not
and
afford
everyone
that.
of
E-learning
us.
passes to the students.
If
to
we are
learn from
studying even in
sites
physical classes,
like
then we can
Gradle
use
and Byju's.
Human resource
Online
development
classes
also
for
releases some
our cleaning
guidelines
hours.
that
From
children from 1 to
e-learning,
10
not
class
only the
take
students
class
are-
1.5 hours in a day, and children
From
from 9 to 12
I
take
think the
class
main
from
part of the student
3 hours in a
is
day.
his school life, because through his school life he can improve his all the abilities, but through e-learning he cannot interact with the
But it's
other
we
students.
can say
E-learning
some-
is best for
that
a
is there.
student who has graduated and he is
Some-
doing further courses.
Yes.
He will learn the things.
Everyone-
and
Yes,
topics.
e-learning is a
In
better convenient way for
education,
all.
everyone prefers
He
school
is part of
and
the world
colleges,
because many
but in
teachers are
preparing
coming
some
their
cases like
competitive exams.
like it's
Online
COVID-19.
because of
People.
pandemic.
Majority of people in India are belonging to lower and middle class families, and they cannot afford to buy mobile phones and laptops, and even some parents did not have enough knowledge of using mobile phones and laptops, and they cannot solve the problem if any technical issue is arriving during the online classes.
E-learning
today's modern
is growing
world,
and best in increasing population because in schools number of students is more and with online education
E-learning provides a
teacher can
brilliant
focus on
opportunity for
students easily.
those who left education due to some their reasons. They won't be able to study at that time, but due to e-learning they are anywhere. They can take out their time and study.
Online classes
they
also save our
study
time
from-
because
they
we
study
don't
from
need to
their
travel
mobile.
outside
They
and
won't
it
need any
also
physical
help our
education.
environment because we save lot of fuel due to transportation.
Yes, my
I
friend,
I think on
create
YouTube there
discrimination
are
between rich and
we can see
poor
that there
people.
are all there are free courses we can enroll, so it provides a great opportunity.
Yes, my
Online
friend,
education-
e-learning also low cost provide education and may convey also transport facilities are also not used by and due to
In
which
in
their
today's
expenses
scenario,
will be
is
less.
everything is just connecting to the internet. So not only the e-learning, other we can say that everything is connecting to internet. So e-learning is a maximum used by students also and by some youngster and by everyone. It's maximally used.
Many students which don't afford able to the internet connectivity, so they are lag behind in education, and that's why our literacy rate is
So
become
friend,
very
can
low.
you suggest some
during
other
pandemic.
alternative for e-learning in such
It is that
situation in this
duty
pandemic
of
era?
government to provide them connectivity of internet, and also we can take the example that UP government provides smartphone to the students.
They are
in the
providing.
pandemic.
But how can you you mentioned that many people can't afford smartphones, though then what is the alternative for them?
Yes, my friend, there is at some places less connectivity of networks. In a COVID-19 pandemic, we witnessed many cases that students are learning to visit at trees height to get connection of internet. So it's our government's duty to provide proper network connection in such rural areas.
E-learning is helping not only students, it's helping sportsmen also. The sportsmen can save their time and train themselves, and they can cover their syllabus by e-learning at home. They can also learn new tricks of their sports and they can enhance their abilities. Yes, my friend, online classes also enhance our reach to the information across all over the world because many teachers which are don't
Online
study
learning-
online,
online
and
learning
they-
Online learning not only supports only education, but it supports
and
each
laptop
and
is the use of
the
hand,
people,
both powerful.
any people who want to learn from his field, but
Yes,
beside
my friend.
beside education, he learns everything from internet. Everything is present on YouTube, and so everyone who want to learn in their field, they can do it from e-learning.
Yes, my
Not
friend,
only
when we are going to
education,
school, we can only take a course, but if we are get e-learning, we take many courses at a time and take any things class that we want.
Yes, through e-learning, students get a lot of opportunities. We can say that they can study from different teachers of the same subject.
Yes, my friend, online classes provide us many options. We can select our teachers and our courses according to our need.
Also in this pandemic era, many teachers have grown up with very great content to the students. They have prospered in all the fields. We can choose whichever teacher we wanted, and also
Yes,
we
during
can choose a
pandemic,
subject which we wanted.
E-learning
And
yes,
was
during
good for
pandemic,
good
the
for
teachers got
higher
employed
students, but
through
for
e-learning.
kids, it is not good quality of education.
Due to the
by
physical
e-learning.
classes,
Because
there is a time that only this time we can take class. Otherwise, we will be absent. In e-learning, we can take it any time and anywhere we can.
Also, due to e-learning, some teachers faced a lot of problems while teaching through online mode.
Yeah, our
E-learning
government
also
is working a
provides
lot to
some
improve
people
the education
as
standard. They are
jobs,
using smart mobile phone which cause very less damage to our eyes, and also they are providing some other physical sports to the students that they will be physically fit at the home.
Yes, my friend, most of the students may miss the class because of technical issue and they did not find a proper guardian to teach them to how to solve the problem because their parents are not literate much.
But
I
in
think
this
day by
e-learning
day
we can
the
use-
electronic
we can
gadgets
watch
are
any
become
class at
cheaper,
any
and
time
I think after
whenever
few
we
years
want.
every student have access to these gadgets.
E-learning also helped families with many children. The family is not able to send them all to school, but by e-learning they can learn learn their classes by taking class by only one gadget.
Most of the parents did not find it convincing that their children get education online because they have a fear that their children may be distracted from some other things.
Okay, conclude.
Yes, I want to say that the e-learning is we can't say that it is an alternative method for the offline classes, but it can be a supplement for the offline classes.
So at last there are
E-learning
pros
cannot
and cons
help
for
in
each and
development
every
of
single
all
thing.
fields of a
E-learning
student.
also has many benefits and also many cons, which are very bad for health. But we can't use any other method in this pandemic era. So e-learning is, I think, according to me, e-learning is the best thing.
Yes,
I
my
think-
friend, just like all other things, in e-learning have also some advantages and disadvantages. But we have no other option otherwise instead of e-learning. So we need that provide the students tools at cheaper price and also increase the connectivity of the internet so that all the students get attached to the education.
I
When the
find
student-
e-learning is the best platform in during this pandemic, but we cannot change e-learning with the classrooms.
Yeah.
In the last, I want to say that e-learning is the best and a convenient way.
Yes, e-learning also take object to parents. It helped them a lot in economic sector also. One thing is also that our new education policy is also based on technology, and without the internet connectivity, cannot be happen.
Yes, in today's modern world, we can say that e-learning is the very good way of taking education